Accessories and install. Cut off the package external. After removing the package, please check the appearance of the equipment and components, whether as a result of damage caused by poor transportation. Tech accessories: multi-fractional pulling hammer, spot welding and pulling hammer, manual sucker, penetrating sucker, multi-claw, meshing electrode, carbon rod electrode, spot welding electrode, wave line electrode, carbon rod, waving line, pads, triangular piece, instruction manual, welding gun and cable, 2 meters. Earth clamp cable, 2 meters. Install the wheels to the trolley and put the mid frame on the trolley. Nose and power connection. Nose. Check that the unit must be connected to the earth coupler and that the connection to the earth is in good condition. Make sure that the operator has no contact with the metal parts to be welded without any protection or with wet clothes. Avoid to be in contact with the welding part. Power connection. Please choose the correct input voltage. There is voltage sign in the back of the machine. 220 volt or 380 volt. Operation instruction. Meshing. Meshing function is for single point dent. Before the meshing, please clean the rust and paint of the dent part to make the pads contact well with the iron plate. Then install the welding gun cable to the red connector. The earth cable to the black connector and the control line to the small connector. After installing the cable, put the clamp to the vicinity of the welding part. Now, install the meshing electrode to the welding gun. Then, turn on the power switch and set the welding date. The recommended power is 50%, and the time is 0.2 seconds. The recommendation power and time date is on the operational panel. After the adjustment, put the pad on the electrode. Vertical pulling to the iron and press the gun switch. The meshing is welding well. Then, put the welding gun to the plate and put the multifunctional pulling hammer to the pad and pull hard. When the iron plate is pulling formation, rotate the hammer to unload meshing. Finally, turn off the power switch, put off the meshing electrode. Triangular piece function. Triangular piece function is for small dent part of car body. Before the triangle piece welding, please clean the rust and paint of the dent part to make the triangle piece contact well with iron plate. Then, install the triangular piece pulling hammer to the welding gun. Here, please pay attention to the triangular piece installing. After installing the hammer, put the clamp to the vicinity of the welding part. Now, turn on the power switch and set the welding date. Recommended power is 70% and time is 0.3 seconds. The recommendation power and time date is on the operation panel. After the adjustment, put the triangle piece on plate. Vertical pulling to the iron and press the gun switch. After a moment, pull the hammer hard. When the iron plate is pulling formation, rotate the hammer to unload it. Finally, turn off the power switch. Put off the triangle piece hammer. Wave line function. Wave line function is for long and narrow dent. Just as above function, please clean the rust and paint of the dent part to make the electrode contact well with iron plate. Now, install the waveline electrode to the welding gun. Put the clamp to the vicinity of welding part. Turn on the power switch and set the welding date. The recommended power is 60% and the time is 0.2 seconds. The recommendation power and time date is on the operation panel. After the adjustment, put the wave line horizon on the dent, welding the lobes of the wave line on the dent one by one. Install the multi-claw to the multifunctional hammer. Link the claws to the wheel holes. Pull the hammer hard till the dent is formation. Finally, turn off the power switch, put off the electrode and close. One-phase spot welding function. One-phase spot welding function is for carbonic cleaning hole, with iron pad to repair the hole. After cleaning the dust and paint, install the spot welding electrode to the welding gun. Put the clamp to the vicinity of welding part. Then turn on the power switch and set the welding date. The recommended power is 80% and time is 0.4 seconds. The recommendation power and time date is on the operational panel. Put the patch with your left hand on the hook. Take the welding gun with your right hand, press the patch. At this time, press the switch of the welding gun to start welding. When the patch is welding well, turn off the power switch, put off the electrode. Carbon rod. Carbon rod is for shrinking. Carbon electrode and iron plate warming functions. After cleaning the dust and paint, install the carbon electrode to the welding gun and install the carbon rod to the electrode. Put the clamp to the vicinity of welding part. Then turn on the power switch and set the welding date. The recommended power is 50% and time is 9.9 seconds. The recommendation power and time date is on the operation panel. Make sure the carbon rod does connect with the shrinking part. Press the gun switch. When the carbon rod gets red, move our carbon rod slightly till the over-stretching part generates sufficient temperature. Then remove the carbon rod and cover it with wet cloth. Finally, turn off the power switch. Put off the carbon electrode and carbon rod. Manual sucker. When the car body has middle-sized dent, you can use manual suck function. Install the sucker to the multifunctional hammer. Press the sucker from one side to the other. Make the sucker stably suck the dent part. Then, pull the hammer. Finally, put off the sucker. Panel trick sucker. When the car body has large size dent, you can use panel trick sucker function. First, connect the sucker with gas pipe. Put the sucker on the dent part and turn on the gas switch on the sucker. Then, pull the hammer hard till the dent is formation. Finally, turn off the gas switch and get off the sucker.